Want to ride the Cathie Wood ARK wave without taking on too much risk? Would you like to collect safe, growing, passive dividend income while also investing in the future of humanity? Like the idea of investing in high-quality dividend growth stocks that Cathie Wood also believes in? Then you have to check out today's video.
He is a best-selling author.
30-year-old Jason Fieber has a plan.
This guy retired at only 33 years old.
I don't know if I know too many people that have accomplished something like that.
He's really kind of a guru when it comes to passive income.
Before I get into today's content, please give us a big thumbs up if you find value in our videos. Helps us to get the word out and grow the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Cathie Wood has recently become a household name as a rock star stock investor. Through her ARK Investment Management firm, she runs a number of ETFs. These ETFs tend to focus heavily on innovation. The high growth stocks that she often concentrates on can lead to huge home runs. But history has taught us that these big swings can also sometimes lead to strikeouts. What if you could take some of that Cathie Wood spirit without risking too many strikeouts? What if you could instead take on some doubles and triples and also collect safe growing passive dividend income along the way? Well, some of Cathie Wood's ETFs have inside of them the same kind of high quality dividend growth stocks that we're regularly featuring here on the channel. And we can selectively sort through some of these stocks to pick out the ones that make the most sense for our portfolios and investing objectives. This could allow you to ride some of that ARK wave without taking on all of the risk. I want to share with you 3 high quality dividend growth stocks that Cathie Wood has bet on. Let's dig in. I'm using the information in this video based on 3 different ARK ETF holdings as of January 31st, 2021. Those 3 ETFs are ARKF, Fintech Innovation ETF, ARKG, Genomic Revolution ETF, and ARKQ, Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. The first Cathie Wood ETF I want to explore with you is ARKF. This ETF contains within it one of the all-time best dividend growth stocks, Apple Inc., stock ticker AAPL. Apple offers one of the safest dividends out there. While the stock yields less than 1%, the dividend is growing at nearly a double-digit rate. The company has increased its dividend for 9 consecutive years. That dividend growth and safety is supported by the incredible economic output of one of the best businesses the world has ever seen. We've done a number of videos on Apple highlighting just what a fantastic long-term investment it's been and will likely continue to be. The interesting thing about Apple is that owning this stock doesn't just give you the chance to invest alongside Cathie Wood, it also gives you the chance to invest alongside Warren Buffett, who's arguably the greatest investor to ever live. Buffett has bet big on Apple with his conglomerate Berkshire Hathaway owning more than $100 billion in Apple stock. I view Apple as a must-own stock for serious dividend growth investors. The second Cathie Wood ETF I want to bring to your attention is ARKG. This ETF sports an investment in Bristol Myers Squibb Co., stock ticker BMY. Bristol Myers Squibb is a great biopharmaceutical business, and the stock offers a market-beating 3.2% yield right now. Also, the company recently increased its dividend by almost 9%, making for a great combination of yield and growth. We put together a video on Bristol Myers Squibb back in January highlighting what a long-term opportunity it is. This remains an undervalued, higher yielding, high quality dividend growth stock. Yet again, this is both a Cathie Wood and Warren Buffett play. That's like a buy one, get one free deal. Both investors have scooped up shares in Bristol Myers Squibb, with Buffett's firm owning about $2 billion in stock. If your portfolio has room for a biopharmaceutical company that has the blessing of both Wood and Buffett, make sure to take a look at Bristol Myers Squibb. The third Cathie Wood ETF I want to talk about is ARKQ. Through this fund, Cathie Wood has invested in Caterpillar Inc., stock ticker CAT. Caterpillar's bread and butter is in heavy machinery, but don't let that fool you. Those machines are quickly becoming more and more automated and robotic in their build and use, which obviously attracted the attention of Cathie Wood. Caterpillar's 1.9% yield won't knock you dead, but the dividend has grown for 27 consecutive years. Their most recent dividend increase came in at almost 20%. That'll make a dividend growth investor smile. And I'm sure Cathie Wood is loving it too. Even an investor usually going after high-flying growth stocks has got to enjoy more passive cash flow. But it ain't just cash flow, the stock's a rocket. This stock has been on a tear. It's up almost 50% over just the last 6 months. Caterpillar certainly doesn't look cheap here, but if you want a high-quality dividend growth stock that's investing in automation and also has Cathie Wood on board, this could be just the name for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give us a like if you did, and let us know in the comments what you think about these 3 high-quality dividend growth stocks that Cathie Wood has bet on. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on new content. Also, take a look at the description box below for some important links, including the link to my personal stock portfolio. This 6-figure portfolio, which I call the Fire Fund, generates enough passive dividend income for me to live off of. It allowed me to retire in my early 30s. I've made my portfolio entirely accessible over our Patreon, and I also post alerts there whenever I buy or sell a stock. I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm often invested in the same high-quality dividend growth stocks that I make videos on. Over the years, I've heard from thousands of investors who have been profiting from many of the same exact stocks that I own. So if you think this is something that you could benefit from as well, check the link in the description to see my portfolio and start getting my buy and sell alerts. I'll see you next time.